Hi guys, I am Waleed and in this video I will be reviewing this VR for you. I brought from daraz.pk. The link is in the description below. You can also buy from there. If you talk about the build quality is very good. You have got 2 lenses. You can also attach the big screen mobiles easily in it. Even my Note 3 can be attached to this VR. It is under $10. It is so cheaper and the best quality available in Pakistan. You can also buy everywhere in your country just by ordering here. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you have any question or suggestions, just comment down below and I will see you in the next one.